Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Brave browser extensions that are not working properly. If your extension is not opening, not responding, or suddenly stopped working, don't worry. We will check several simple solutions directly inside Brave browser. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now, click the menu button in the top right corner. From here, open the extensions section. This page shows all the extensions currently installed in Brave browser. Find the extension that is not working properly. First, check whether the extension is enabled. If the switch is turned off, click it to turn the extension on. Now, try opening the extension again. If the extension is already enabled but still does not work, open the extension's details page. Here, you can review the extension settings and permissions. Check the available options and make sure the extension has the necessary access to work properly. After checking the settings, go back and test the extension again. If the problem continues, try refreshing the extension. Turn the extension off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Now try using the extension again. If it is still not working, completely close Brave browser. Wait a few seconds and then open Brave browser again. Sometimes restarting the browser can fix temporary extension problems. Next, let's check for browser updates. Open the Brave menu and go to Settings, then open the About Brave section. Brave will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available, allow Brave to complete the update. After the update is finished, restart Brave browser and test the extension again. Another possible solution is clearing the browser cache. To do this, open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Then open the option to clear browsing data. Select the cached data option and clear the data. After clearing the cache, restart Brave browser and check the extension again. Sometimes, another extension may be causing a conflict. To check this, go back to the extensions page. Temporarily disable other extensions one by one. After disabling each extension, test the extension that was not working. If the problem disappears, another extension may have been causing the conflict. If necessary, you can keep the conflicting extension disabled. If none of these methods work, you can remove the problematic extension and install it again. Before removing the extension, remember that some extensions may have their own settings or stored data. So make sure you understand this before removing it. Finally, if the problem still continues, you can try resetting Brave browser settings. Go to Settings and find the Reset Settings option. Use this option as a last resort, because resetting settings can change some of your browser preferences. After completing the reset, restart Brave browser and test the extension again. So these are the main solutions for fixing Brave browser extensions that are not working. Start by checking whether the extension is enabled. Then check its permissions, restart the extension, restart Brave browser, update the browser, clear the cache, check for extension conflicts, and reinstall the extension if necessary. Following these steps can help solve many common extension problems in Brave browser. I hope this guide helped you fix the problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.